Number 8. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store Xbox app sign-in error. You need Windows updated to the latest version and stable internet connection with no proxy or VPN enabled. Microsoft Store and Xbox app installed properly and correct Microsoft account credentials. To fix the error, restart your PC and sign out or sign back into your Microsoft account. Now, open Settings and select Time and Language. Then, choose Date and Time and enable Automatic Sync. Here, clear Microsoft Store cache by running os-reset.exe in the Run dialog. After that, open Services and make sure Xbox and Microsoft account sign-in services are running. Disable VPNs or proxies that may block Microsoft login servers. Reinstall or repair the Xbox app and Microsoft Store via Settings apps. Check if your Windows account is linked correctly to your Microsoft ID. If the error persists, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter or reset the store using PowerShell. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.